Namaste and welcome to Sefali's Yoga. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to use mantra for meditation. Once you have chosen the mantra that you want to use for your meditation, as an example, today, I'm going to be using the mantra So Hum. I am that. And I will show you how to use your mantra meditation and give you some tips. When you sit ready for your meditation practice, you will close your eyes and in your mind repeat the mantra that you've chosen. So, for example, you will say so as you close your eyes. So, breathe in. Hum, breathe out. Okay, so you find a rhythm that's going to work best for you, and you can go slow with the mantra, you can go fast with the mantra. In the beginning, because you're just starting off, it might be that your mind is pacing a bit more, and depending on what's gone on in the day, or if you're doing it later in the evening, what's gone on in the day. Usually in the morning, you've just woken up, so the mantra might be a bit slower. But if you find that your mind is quite hurried, you might want to say so hum, so hum, so hum, repeating it a bit quicker. And then eventually, as the mind settles down, you will find naturally that the mantra slows down. And as the mantra slows down, you'll find that the mind is also slowing down. If it's not getting there, your mind's not slowing down, then you slowly repeat the word so hum with the breath, and then you'll find that your mind is now slowing down with the sound and is slowing down with the breath. So in your mind, when you're meditating, listen to the sounds and control the length and the sound of the mantra that you're going to use. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is that when you're beginning to meditate, you'll find that your mind is wandering off, and that's okay because that is the nature of the mind. Hence, it's called a monkey mind. But when it does wander off, instead of being judgmental against yourself and getting angry with yourself, you want to gently bring your mind back, okay, to the mantra, and then slowly repeat the mantra again. You might find that after 40 seconds, 30 seconds, even 10, 20 seconds, the mind has wandered off. That's fine. You become aware that yes, my mind has wandered off, and you bring it back to the mantra and you just repeat the mantra. There's no need to discuss with yourself, why has it happened? I shouldn't have done that. Go into a debate. No, you just bring it back and repeat the mantra. So the repetition of the mantra on awareness that your mind has wandered off begins to switch on automatically. Okay, number three is to use your breath with the mantra. So, like I said in the beginning, when you find that your mind is in a hurried state, your mantra is going in a quick state, you'll find that your breath is also going quickly. So then, if you find that slowing down the mantra is not slowing down the mind, you can slow down the breath. So it will be breathe in, so, slow it down, breath in, and then with the breath, slow down so. On the exhalation, slow down hum as you've slowed down the exhalation. And then in this manner, you'll find that by controlling the evenness and smoothness of the breath, you're also controlling the evenness and the control and the smoothness of the mantra. And with this, the mind becomes calmer and more relaxed, and it's less likely to jitter off and then wander off. And coming on to the next point is when you're meditating, doesn't matter what meditation you're doing, but if you're using mantra meditation, remember, like any meditation, you want to keep your body nice and still. There's going to be often the need to perhaps scratch your nose, scratch your forehead, or just flick your hair a bit, or just feeling a bit cold and you just start shaking your body. No. Resist the temptation. Become aware that, yes, I've got an itch on my nose, but instead of taking that finger and just trying to get rid of the itch, keep your hand there. Become aware that my nose is itching. In your mind, become aware. Become aware of the distraction. Realize that it's a distraction. And just go back into your mantra again. Go back into your mantra again. Slow down your breath. Slow down your mantra. Become aware. And then after the first itch, second itch, you'll realize that it's actually now switched off, because the mind is not getting what it wants and it's now reverting to the mantra. The attention has moved away from the distraction to the mantra again. So always keep your body still, keep your hand in the position that you've chosen, and also throughout any form of meditation, but particularly with mantra meditation as well, if you find that you're moving because your head is now repeating the mantra and it's now become like a little lullaby, and you're falling asleep with the mantra, then you need to become aware of your body. What is your posture doing? Is it slouching forward? Is your head leaning forward? Then again, prompt yourself up, shoulders back, sitting up straight, and then bring your mantra on your posture and repeat. Or so hum, so hum, so hum. And as you do this, watch your posture being lifted up, the spine growing long from the crown of your head, lifting up as you repeat the mantra. Okay, the last tip I'm going to say is that don't expect every meditation experience to be the same. And including mantra meditation, there may be days where you can say 5 minutes of the mantra meditation without losing sight of the mantra, or even 2 minutes. There may also be other days, doesn't matter how experienced you are, that you can only give attention to it, say 30 seconds or 40 seconds. But that's fine. Don't ever judge your experience of meditation. Every day is going to be different. Every day is a new experience. Right, I hope you found this video useful. It's a beginner's guide to your experience when you're starting off with mantra meditation. If you have any comments, let me know. If you like the video, please like, subscribe if you haven't. If you want more classes on yoga, we're running classes on Patreon, details of which are left in the description below. I will be doing another video on just 10 minutes of mantra meditation. Look out for that. Namaste.